Hi, my name's Anna. The reason that I chose the red cabbage experiment is because I wanted to see for myself if the chemicals reacted with the red cabbage water, causing the cabbage water to change colors with each chemical. My hypothesis through this experiment was that when the chemicals were added to the red cabbage water, they would change colors with each chemical being added. In the end, however, my hypothesis was correct. The red cabbage water did change different colors with each different chemical. But I was surprised by one thing. I did not think that when I added a certain chemical that it would become a darker color than it already naturally was. I feel like one thing I might have done wrong during this experiment is when I added the chemical alkalizer. I noticed that it didn't change colors, it just foamed up. I made the red cabbage water by taking a cabbage and taking its leaves off and putting it into a blender with water. Then I blended it all together and put it into a strainer and strained out the water. Then I took a 1 measuring cup and got a cup of each and put it into each of the 6 cups. Later on in the video, you'll see me adding 1 teaspoon of each substance, except for the Alka-Seltzer. Only 1 tablet was added, and then each one was stirred. Red cabbage leaves have a pigment molecule, anthocyanin, that makes them react with different solutions. This indicator called flavin changes color when mixed with acidic or alkaline substances. After making a red cabbage water with red cabbage leaves, 6 different solutions will be added and observed for color change. The more acidic solutions like vinegar and lemon juice turned almost red. However, the more alkaline substances, baking soda and laundry detergent, turned more of a dark blue color, which surprised me. I researched a few things about this experiment, such as this experiment has helped scientists figure out many things that they hadn't known before this experiment was done, and that it has helped to show you what happens when these two things are put together. I had thought that when chemicals were added into the red cabbage water, they would all turn lighter than the original color, more like pink and red. The materials that I used in this experiment were a blender, 6 clear plastic drinking cups, a paper, a pen, glue, water, red cabbage, a strainer, vinegar, baking soda, soda pop, laundry detergent, lemon juice, a glass bowl, and alkalizer. In the end, I realized that each chemical had its own reaction with the red cabbage and that each color was different and detailed. This was quite an easy experiment, but I think I learned a lot, such as what chemicals react with and how different chemicals react differently with the same thing. The verse that I chose for this experiment was Psalm 1:3, which says, "He is like a tree planted by streams of water that yields its fruit in its season. It is like a leaf does not wither, and all that he does, he prospers." Here is the whole experimental procedure.